Have you ever had a gut feeling about something and ignore it, only to regret it later? Well, we all have those gut feelings, but sometimes they come in moments when we least expect them. In this video, we will explore 10 key moments in life where listening to your intuition can make a huge difference. So let's get started. Number 1. Whether it's choosing a career path, deciding where to live, or making other major life decisions, your intuition can provide valuable insight that logic alone may not capture. Number 2. In situations where information is incomplete or ambiguous, your intuition can help you fill in the gaps by providing a sense of direction or gut feeling about the best course of action. Number 3. In a potentially dangerous situation, your intuition can alert you to potential threat. It's crucial to trust your intuition and take appropriate action to ensure your safety. Number 4. When you meet someone new. First impressions can often be deceiving, and sometimes it's hard to put into words what you feel about someone or a situation. That charming person you just met could be genuinely nice, or they could simply be good at putting on a facade. Our gut instincts are particularly adept at picking up on subtle cues and signals about people's true character that your conscious mind may miss. So, if you get an off feeling about someone, even if they seem perfectly pleasant on the surface, it might be worth taking a step back. Number 5. When time is of the essence and decisions need to be made swiftly. Your intuition can provide valuable insight into the intentions and motives of the other party, helping you make effective decisions under pressure. Number 6. When choosing your path in life. Finding your purpose and deciding what path to take in life can be a daunting task. After all, it's the journey that will shape you, challenge you, and ultimately define who you are. Your intuition can guide you towards that path. It can help you uncover your passions and steer you towards a life that is in harmony with your true self. Number 7. When your health is on the line. Your intuition can sometimes detect early signs of health issues or guide you towards activities, food, or treatments that will support your overall well-being. Number 8. Whether it's investing in stocks, starting a business, negotiating contracts, or making major purchases, your intuition can complement your analytical skills by providing a gut feeling about the risks and opportunities involved. Number 9. When you face conflict or disagreement, your intuition can help you understand underlying problem and find a mutually beneficial solution. Number 10. Perhaps the most important time to listen to your intuition is when it persistently nudges you about the same thing. When it consistently sends the same message, it's often a sign that something significant needs your attention. Your intuition might be picking up on subtle cues and signals that your conscious mind hasn't fully processed. So when your intuition persistently nudges you, don't ignore it. Trust it. It might be trying to guide you towards something important that your conscious mind hasn't fully acknowledged yet. Finally, listening to your intuition isn't about disregarding logic or ignoring rational thought. It's about acknowledging that sometimes our subconscious mind sees the bigger picture before our conscious mind does. So how do you cultivate this relationship with your intuition? Start by paying attention to those moments when your gut feelings were right. Reflect on what those feelings felt like. Was it a sense of peace or unease? A sudden clarity or a persistent thought? The more you recognize these intuitive signals, the easier it will be to trust them in the future. Remember that intuition isn't about having all the answers. It's about being open to guidance, trusting the journey, and believing in your ability to navigate through life. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. As always, feel free to leave any comment below. See you next time. Take care.